Thanks for renting from Easy Camper Rental. This video is to go over the operation of a trailer brake control module. There's many different modules out there. There's some aftermarket ones. There's an integrated one like this one from a Ram. They all work very similar. So what it will be is you'll have a gain from 0 to 10 with 0.5 increments, and then you'll have a slider right here, and the gain is adjusted with these negative and positive. If you have an integrated one, you'll see up on the dash here, you'll see the gain depending on what you have set, and as you go, plus and minus, it'll go up and down, and that's going to activate the trailer brakes faster the higher the gain. So 3.5 is a good starting point, and then what you want to do is you want to get up to about 10 miles per hour, and then you want to just squeeze these together, and as you see on the dash, you'll see the sensitivity there, and you want to feel the trailer brakes engage at about 50%. So about halfway through here, you want to feel it engage about there. If it engages too soon, then the brakes on the trailer will engage before the brakes on the truck, and then if it doesn't engage at all, then obviously the gain needs to go up that way too. So it is a kind of a feel. You got to get kind of used to it, but that's generally how all trailer brake controls work. If you don't have a trailer brake controller, then the trailer brakes on the trailer don't do anything. Also, if you have some sway or anything like that, you can always manually hit the brakes on the trailer. That will help bring it back in alignment. Hope that helps. Thanks again for renting from Easy Camper Rental, and I hope you enjoy your vacation.